5 reasons why travel is good for your mental health. It's no news that travel is good for your physical well-being, but a significant amount of scientific research suggests that exploring a new place can do wonders for your mental and emotional health as well. Here are 5 evidence-backed ways traveling makes your mind happy and healthy. 1. It's a great stress buster. The stress of work and daily demands can distract us from what we find to be actually meaningful and interesting, says Dr. Tamara McClintock-Greenberg, a San Francisco-based clinical psychologist and author of Psychodynamic Perspectives on Aging and Illness. Thus, taking a break from the daily hustle and bustle is essential for your mind to relax, recharge and rejuvenate. And what better way to do so than to pack your bags and cross wanderlust-worthy destinations off your bucket list? Traveling promotes happiness and helps you take your mind off stressful situations. This leads to lower cortisol levels, making you feel more calm and content. It also helps us reflect on our personal goals and interests, adds Greenberg. According to a 2013 study, more than 80% of Americans who were surveyed noticed significant drops in stress just after a day or two of traveling. 2. It helps you reinvent yourself. Writer Patrick Rothfuss said, "A long stretch of road can teach you more about yourself than 100 years of quiet, experiential traveling, particularly to a foreign country, can help you reevaluate and reinvent your life. If you allow it, travel has the ability to expand your mind in a way you never realized was possible," says solo travel expert and founder of the Trusted Travel Girl, Valerie Wilson. Moreover, the valuable lessons that you learn along the way broaden your perspective, making you more aware and open to new things. Exploring new places can also give you a fresh start if you're recovering from a major transition in your life. 3. It boosts happiness and satisfaction. Apart from the obvious fact that you don't have to go to work and can legit eat pizza for breakfast, traveling gives you the opportunity to step away from the daily grind. The new events and experiences help rewire your brain, hence boosting your mood and self-confidence. According to a Cornell University study, the anticipation of a trip can increase your happiness substantially, even more than the anticipation of acquiring something tangible, like a new car. 4. It makes you mentally resilient. Going and living somewhere where you feel excited and intimidated at the same time can help you toughen up mentally and emotionally. Also, facing difficulties in an unfamiliar environment, among new people, forces you to learn and adapt to a life that's out of your comfort zone. This makes you more flexible. It can also help you deal with larger issues in life with more grace and patience. The more challenges you're faced with, the better you'll get at overcoming them, eventually becoming more resilient, mentally and emotionally. 5. It enhances creativity. According to Adam Galinsky, a professor at Columbia Business School, visiting a foreign place and immersing yourself in their local environment, for instance, attending a snake boat race in southern India or feasting on crispy tarantulas in Cambodia, increases your cognitive flexibility. It also enhances depth and integrativeness of thought, consequently giving a boost to your creativity. Additionally, extended traveling also improves your productivity, problem-solving skills, and can even to the power of increase your chances of getting promoted at work. Now that you've finished reading about all the wonderful things travel does to your brain, it's time to pack your bags and get going.